Offerpad Honest Review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. Offerpad is a real estate platform that buys and sells homes quickly, but most people get this wrong. They assume convenience comes with hidden, exorbitant fees. The surprising truth is that Offerpad pricing is clear and upfront, making it easier to plan your sale. When selling a home, Offerpad typically charges a service fee ranging from 5% to 7% of the sale price. You won't believe how this compares to traditional real estate agent commissions, which can be around 6% plus additional costs. The fee covers valuation, paperwork, and a fast, guaranteed closing process. For buyers, Offerpad may include standard listing prices, and some homes feature pricing incentives or upgrades, but there are no hidden charges beyond typical closing costs. Most people get this wrong by assuming the convenience of an instant sale will cost dramatically more. It's often competitive with traditional methods, especially when you factor in reduced hassle and faster timelines. In conclusion, Offerpad pricing is transparent and designed for convenience. By understanding the service fee structure and comparing it to traditional methods, you go from zero to pro in evaluating if a quick, hassle-free home sale is worth it for your situation.